Scientists can also study energy in an ecosystem because we know that energy moves through ecosystems in the same way. So energy flows through ecosystems in the same way, regardless of what ecosystem it is. So whether it's the Australian bush, like you can see in the picture, or if it's the deep ocean, or deserts, or the top of mountains in alpine environments, energy always flows the same way. And there are two main reasons for this that we've discovered. The first reason is because of photosynthesis. And you might know about photosynthesis already. It's how energy gets into the ecosystem to begin with. So, energy enters the ecosystem through photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is what it's called when plants or algae, if we're talking about the oceans and marine ecosystems, and some bacteria, they take energy from the sun and they turn it into their food. So they take in sunlight and a few other materials and they make their food out of that. So that's how energy gets in, but also energy leaves the ecosystem as well. And that's because of a process called cellular respiration. So cellular respiration is how all organisms use energy. And this includes animals, like the wombat here, and fungi, and plants as well. So people often think that plants don't use cellular respiration, but they still do. And the way respiration works is that species take the energy from their food and they do things with it. So they live and they do stuff. If they're an animal, they walk around, they find their food, they communicate. If they're a plant, they grow and they reproduce. And eventually, all that energy, once they've finished, once the energy has been used, it ends up as heat and it goes back out into the environment again.